YouTubers, thanks for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my Lenovo T580 ThinkPad, followed by a brief review of how the thing looks and how it works. So if you're interested, tag along. I was less than enthusiastic about that $199 asking price, because that did not include shipping. Also, the computer does not come with a battery charger, so I'd have to buy one of those. It's got kind of a dinky hard drive. That's kind of disappointing, 256 gigabytes. And the external battery is missing. This particular computer has two batteries, an internal one and an external one, and the external battery was gone. So I was looking at a pretty good outlay for shipping and a battery and a power supply just to get the thing in serviceable condition. To my surprise, the seller sent me an offer of $180, so he offered me a pretty good discount. So I counter offered $160 just to see what would happen, and he took it. He accepted my counter offer. So here's where I ended up. I got the machine for $160 plus shipping, and then I got the power supply for a little under $10 delivered, and the external battery for a little bit under $21 delivered. So my total outlay came to just under $210. Not bad for a nice high-spec machine. So this is unboxing day. I cleared off the coffee table and kind of staged the box to get ready to film this video, and then Harry, the Tux cat, hopped on top of the box immediately, and he didn't crush down the corner of the box like that. It came that way. I mean, he's fat, but he's not that fat. So thanks for photobombing my video, Harry. Anyways, I have tortured you enough. Let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. All right, I got rid of the cat. And bear with me, I'm one-handing this. I don't have a proper tripod for this cell phone because I'm an amateur. So yeah, if it seems kind of awkward, it's because it is. I'm trying to manage the phone and the razor knife and the box at the same time. And I've just got a sliver of a blade because I don't want to scratch up my new computer. Oh, peanuts. Don't see that much anymore. Look at all that landfill. Just kidding. I'm going to reuse these to sell stuff on eBay. The thing is very well packed. Man. I mean, it is wrapped up tight like a cocoon. And then it was buried in the foam peanuts on top of that. So the shipper really didn't want this thing to get bent. Good deal. 5 stars for the shipping, huh? And there's baby. It looks pretty nice. The ad said there was going to be some scratches and, you know, scuff marks and all that, but it is, I mean, it's not like a, you know, cherry brand new, but it's pretty nice. I don't see any big scratches on it. It looks pretty clean. And I always worry about the ventilation grills, the little plastic grills, because the little rungs on those tend to get snapped out and broken out, but no broken plastic on the grills there. The battery compartment is clean and the contacts are shiny, so I don't see any crud or dirt or anything in the battery box. And there's no cracks on the ports. Again, the ventilation grill appears to be unbroken. So far so good. Yep, no cracks around the ports, so that's good. And I don't see a bunch of trash and corrosion and stuff inside the parts, so good deal. And the display is not all marked up. I don't see any scratches or scuffs or even fingerprints on the display. It looks clean. And the keyboard looks nice. i7 sticker. The hinges are not cracked. A lot of times the plastic right around the hinges has cracks in it, but not this time. This looks good. It's a good deal. Fingerprint reader. There's no shiny spot on the touchpad, so that's good. Anything else? I'm just checking, you know, like, is there documentation in here? Or is there any spare parts? Anything? Nope, not a thing. No bill of sale, no nothing. Just curious. All right, next up is the battery and the charging brick. Let's see if these guys fit. All right, I am one-handing this, so bear with me. Is it gonna fit? Did I get the right battery? Oh, fits like a glove. All right, let's see about the brick. Cool. I think we're ready to power this thing up. All right, here we go, folks. First, power on. Is it gonna work? Is it a piece of junk? What's gonna happen? Yo, there's a splash screen. What a relief. Very nice. And there's Windows 11. Boo, I hate Windows 11. And there is the wallpaper. Very nice. Very bright, saturated display. And I don't see any dead pixels or hot pixels yet. It looks good. So cool. What do I want to do first? Let me check the system and see if I got ripped off. Let's see if the system on this machine agrees with the eBay advertisement or not. So there's Windows 11 Pro, which is what it's supposed to be, and an i7 8550U CPU, which is right. And what else? What else? What else? Oh, 24 gigs of RAM. That is correct. That's what was in the ad. So good deal. The specs on this machine agree with the eBay ad. Well, good. That is Luna, the Manx. She doesn't have a tail. She seems to be interested in electronics, though. All right, let's do a video test. How about some YouTube? We'll give it something a little more challenging than wallpaper. Let's see, 4K tropical fish. There you go. That should be nice and colorful. And maybe have some nice mood music to go with it. You got to have the ad, of course. So you can surf. Thanks, YouTube. Can't wait to put an ad blocker on this thing. Oh, look how nice. Very nice video. The cats like it too. Cats like fish. Who knew, right? But yeah, that display. Nothing to complain about there. Really bright, vivid colors. Cool. And we have Harry on the keyboard. Thanks, Harry. What is it with cats and keyboards? I swear, they have to walk across the damn keyboard every time. And he fast-forwarded the video, but I do like the little yellow fish. That's cool. So, sharp video, decent audio, nice cosmetic condition, decent specs on the machine, except for the kind of dinky solid-state drive. So I'm very satisfied with my purchase. And the pets approve also. They liked it a lot. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. I might do another video about this machine because I'm going to dual boot Linux and Windows 10 on it. So if you're interested in that project, I will post a video about that. Thanks for watching. Take care.